In an age where every breath could potentially unlock the secrets to personalized health and fitness, there exists a device that promises just that: the Lumen Metabolism Tracker. This isn't just any gadget, it's your pocket-sized nutritionist, breath analyzer, and health coach, all rolled into one sleek, futuristic package. Let's dive into how this seemingly magical device can transform the way you think about dieting, breathing, and living. Imagine a world where your breath informs your diet. That's what Lumen promises: a glimpse into your metabolic rate through a simple breath. This device isn't just innovative, it's a revolution in personalized health management. The Lumen Metabolism Tracker assesses whether you are burning fats or carbohydrates, providing tailored nutritional advice based on your metabolism. Developed with cutting-edge technology, Lumen's core functionality is to analyze your breath and provide instant feedback on your metabolic state. This approach to health is not just about losing weight, it's about understanding your body better. Lumen functions through a method known as indirect calorimetry, traditionally used in clinical settings. By analyzing the CO2 concentration in one's breath, Lumen determines if your body is oxidizing fats or carbohydrates. This data then feeds into an algorithm, which tailors daily nutrition plans. It's akin to having a dietitian in your pocket, who constantly adjusts your eating habits based on real-time data. The goal? To optimize your metabolism and overall health efficiently. Metabolism is the engine room of your body, converting food into energy. A slow metabolism can lead to energy storage as fat, whereas a fast metabolism results in more efficient energy use. Understanding your metabolic rate is crucial because it dictates how quickly you burn calories. Lumen offers a window into this internal process, providing insights that can lead to more effective weight management strategies. Personalization, the key to success. One size does not fit all in nutrition. Lumen embodies this by providing diet plans that are highly customized. Whether you're a vegetarian, on a low-carb diet, or have specific dietary restrictions, Lumen adapts to your needs. This personalization helps users stick to their diets and see better results. It's like having a nutritionist who knows your body's every need and adjusts your diet accordingly. Comparative analysis with other devices. While there are numerous fitness and diet trackers on the market, Lumen stands out by measuring metabolism through breath, an innovative approach. Most other devices rely on standard metrics like calorie intake and physical activity, which don't provide a complete picture. Lumen's method offers a more dynamic and immediate understanding of how different foods affect your body, giving it a unique edge in the market. User experiences and testimonials. From fitness enthusiasts to people struggling with weight loss, Lumen has garnered a wide range of users. Many report significant improvements in weight management and overall health. I never understood why I wasn't losing weight, despite dieting. Lumen showed me I was not consuming the right kind of calories, says one user, highlighting how Lumen's insights lead to real change. Based on the analysis of your breath, Lumen can suggest whether you should consume more fats or carbohydrates. For instance, if you're metabolizing carbohydrates too quickly, Lumen might recommend a day focused on fat intake to balance your metabolism. These tailored suggestions ensure that your diet aligns perfectly with your body's needs, potentially improving your metabolic rate and aiding in weight loss. Incorporating Lumen into your daily routine is straightforward. It involves taking regular breath measurements, typically in the morning, and following the dietary guidance provided. For many, this becomes a ritual, similar to checking the weather before heading out. It's about preparing for the day with the best foot forward, nutritionally speaking. Lumen is backed by several clinical studies that validate its technology. Researchers highlight its accuracy in measuring metabolic rates, comparing favorably to more invasive methods. This scientific endorsement adds a layer of credibility to Lumen. reassuring users that the device's readings and recommendations are both reliable and effective. Despite its benefits, Lumen is not without its challenges. The cost can be a barrier for some, and the need for consistent daily use requires a commitment that not all users are ready to make. However, for those willing to invest the time and resources, the potential health benefits can be substantial. As technology evolves, so too does the potential for devices like Lumen. Future iterations might offer even more detailed insights or integrate seamlessly with other health devices, creating a comprehensive health monitoring ecosystem. The trajectory for metabolism tracking technology points to more personalized and accessible health tools, with Lumen at the forefront of this innovation. The Lumen device is an investment in your health. While the upfront cost is notable, the potential savings in healthcare costs and diet-related expenses can be significant over time. Considering the personalized guidance and potential health benefits, the return on investment for Lumen can be highly favorable for many users. Lumen offers a unique approach to understanding and optimizing your metabolism. For anyone serious about health and nutrition, it provides valuable insights that can lead to better health outcomes. Whether you're looking to manage weight, improve athletic performance, or simply understand your body better, Lumen offers a compelling solution. Ready to take control of your metabolism? Consider giving Lumen a try. For more information, check out their website and read through user testimonials. Remember, every breath you take is a step towards a healthier you. Explore, engage, and transform your health with Lumen. Your journey to personalized wellness starts with a simple breath.